Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Trading Ideas. My name is Nenad and I will show you trading ideas based on my methods. We had excellent weeks behind us, and this week also started very well. And you can always, guys, log into my FX book and check. This is very good. There are very good profits on our trading. So if you want to have full trading ideas with very clear and concise money management, of course, go to elliotecurrency.com and of course join our services here, live services. We have everything here. Services, you go to live and then join. These are our profits with methods, and choose something that fits you and enjoy the profits, of course. So at this point, I'm going to show you what might happen, of course, during the day. And here we go. 73,000 started with 10,000, huge profits. And I am in a process also of making expert advisor. So guys, definitely, I hope that you will enjoy some of our methods here. Now, regarding euro dollar is long. Watch for 1.1095 long. So I will be quickly with this. These are quick trading ideas. So in my opinion, euro dollar is going to push up. 1095, 1090 is potentially where we could see the entries. So here is the zone. Stop loss should go below 1050 and target is 1.1200. GBP dollar, the trend is to the downside. Selling on rallies is possible. I would look to sell on rallies close to, well, this is a very good level to sell, 2850. If the market goes there, we might be seeing a nice trade to the downside towards 2740. If 2740 breaks, market closes below, during next days we might expect 2660. Australian dollar is currently short on rallies. Next short might happen around 6610, 6590, 6610. So if the market goes here, look to go short. This is what I see on the Australian dollar. Stops go above 6650. So stops above this level. This is daily moving average, and here all here is short. Above is stop. Targets is 65.56, eventually 64.52. Next trading idea is dollar yen. Dollar yen is very risk on and risk off dependent because of yen. Selling on rallies, next sell is 108.70. If the market moves slightly up, look for 109.20. This is where sell can happen. The target is 106.90. And gold now is sold on rallies. For gold, I would be myself looking to go short again. In my opinion, as I already mentioned, gold can go short. It's very clear that market is very bearish on gold. Let me quickly see if I have my sit template. I want to show you where you can short gold. In my opinion, of course, these are all my trading ideas. So this is it, guys. 15-minute time frame. So if the market moves here, look for 1 to 3 pattern, and this is where it might go short. 1610, 1620. In between this zone here, we might see a shorting opportunity. So these are quick trading ideas, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. For more trading ideas with clear entries, clear stops, targets, and trade management, join ecs.live. Cheers, guys, and as always, trade safe.